use his other ear? His other ear. There, try this ear. There you go, yeah. Good. Freeze!
Freeze! Yeah! Come on, let's go. This time we do it all together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that again. Not like this way. You're going to be the leader. Oh, wait a minute. I have to get it. 1, 2, 3. 1. Oh, looking. No, it goes 1, 2, and then you count this 3. 2. 3. Yes.